It was a quiet morning. I went outside to see what the earth was hiding today.
I saw a small stone, had nothing special, just sitting there. But then I wondered, what's underneath? It felt heavier than I thought. There were little tunnels and tiny lives everywhere. They looked so busy. Everyone had a job. Carrying, cleaning, building. I didn't want to scare them. It was their home. I saw roots too, like little ropes holding the earth together. It's like a whole world down here. I followed their path. It went under leaves, over twigs, like tiny roads. I imagined being small like them, walking under grass that felt like trees. I didn't expect so much life under just one stone. That one was carrying a leaf bigger than itself. It didn't give up. Maybe small things aren't really small. Just close up, they look bigger. I put the stone back, like closing a tiny door. I didn't take anything, just looked ahead and learned. Big worlds can hide in small places. The ants are working together to build something amazing down here. It's incredible how organized nature is. I think I'll look under another stone tomorrow. Don't forget to follow me for more adventures.